Okay, so we are here today with the Craftsman III. Forget exactly what it is, 1984, something like that. And we're going to see if we can get it to go. Already checked it over. There's no critters living in it this year, at least that I can tell. Last year we had a mouse nest here in the engine, and there's nothing there today. One front tire is a little bit low, but should suffice to at least get it to the porch if we can get it running. So, there's a little bit of something that smells like fuel in the tank. So let's see what we got. Choke's on, throttle's free, nothing's seized up. Throttle up. Oh, we've got lights, we've got some battery. Let's see if we got enough to turn it over. Nope, not quite. Nope, doesn't look like it. Yep. Doesn't look like we're going to do it this time. We're going to have to put the battery on charge. So, that is year 4, I believe, of I found this thing in the trash, and this is the same battery that was in it when I found it. So yeah. Looks like it's going to be time probably for a new battery, but we'll see how it goes after we get it charged and running for a little bit. Alright, so we've had the battery on charge for about an hour or so. Let's see if we can get anything out of it. That's not cool. I pumped the tire up and it's flat again. Whoops. Wasn't warmed up enough. Alright, so let's see if we can pump this tire up and, well, let's see if the mower deck even works. Alright, so there we go, 1984, I think, Craftsman III, 20 horsepower Onan twin lawn tractor, trash find. This is, I think, the fourth year on it. It's got 776 hours on it, almost 777 hours, and still works great. Thanks for watching.